श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. दशक तिसरा स्वगुण परीक्षा. समास 10वा वैराग्य निरूपण.
Dashak 3 Commentary on Life Chapter 10 Asceticism Sri Ram.
संसार म्हणजे महापूर, माझी जळचरे अपार, डंखू धावती विखार, काळ सर्प.
Life is a great river in spate. In that river, there are many aquatic animals and many poisonous snakes eager to bite.
आशा ममता देही बेडी, सुसरी करिता ती तडातोडी, नेऊनी दुःखाचे साकडी, माझी घालिती.
There are crocodiles by name Hope and the Sense of Mind. These crocodiles are fetters of body identification. They drag us away from God and put us in a crevice of sorrow.
अहंकार नरके उडविले, नेऊनी पाताळी बुडविले, तेथुनिया सोडविले, न वचे प्राणी.
Ego is also a crocodile, which drowns us in the lower world from which nobody can escape.
काम मगर मिठी सुटेना, तिरस्कार लागला तुटेना, मद मत्सर वोहटेना, भूली पडली.
The grip of this alligator of passion is very hard. The scorn for others cannot be cut away. Pride and jealousy never diminish. There is all this illusion.
वासना धामिनी पडिली गळा, घालून वेटाळे वमी गरळा, जिव्हा लाळी वेळोवेळा, भयानक.
The lust, which is like a venomous serpent, has embraced us, and it spits poison by twining itself around our body, a most fearsome thing.
माथा प्रपंचाचे ओझे, घेऊन म्हणे माझे माझे, बुडताही न सोडी फुजे, कुळाभिमाने.
Man takes the burden of family life on his head, and even though he is being drowned, he clings to his possessions and becomes proud of his family name.
पडिले भ्रांतीचे अंधारे, नागविले अभिमान चोरे, आले अहंतेचे काविरे, भूतबाधा.
There is darkness of illusion on our vision. The robber whose name is pride has taken away everything, and there is jaundice of egoism as if possessed by a ghost.
बहुतेक आवर्ती पडिले, प्राणी वाहातची गेले, जेही भगवंतासी बोभाईले, भावार्थ बळे.
Most people were caught in whirlpool, and many were swept down. But those who have made a call to God by deep devotion
देव आपण घालून उडी, तयासी नेले पैलथडी, येरते अभाविके बापुडी, वाहातची गेली.
they have been saved by God, who jumped and rescued them to the other shore. Others who did not believe are simply lost.
भगवंत भावाचा भुकेला, भावार्थ देखो न भुलला, संकटी पावे भाविकाला, रक्षितसे.
God is pleased by faith. He becomes the savior when he sees that the devotee has real trust and faith in him.
जयास भगवंत आवडे, तयाचे देवासी साकडे, संसार दुःख सकळ उडे, निजदासाचे.
God is bound by love of his devotee, and the sorrow of worldly life of such a devotee who serves God is wiped out.
जे अंकित ईश्वराचे, तयास सोहळे निज सुखाचे, धन्यतेची दैवाचे, भाविक जन.
Blessed are those who have real feeling of devotion towards God and have the good luck of belonging to God. They enjoy the bliss of joy in themselves.
जैसा भाव जयापासी, तैसा दैव तयासी, जाणे भाव अंतरसाक्षी, प्राणी मात्रांचा.
God is as is one's faith. He knows the inner thoughts of all.
जरी भाव असिला माईक, तरी देव होये महाठक, नवलतयाचे कौतुक, जैसा सतैसा.
If there is deception, God also deceives. It is a wonder how he reciprocates.
जैसे जयाचे भजन, तैसेची दे समाधान, भाव होता किंचित न्यून, आपणही दुरावे.
He gives his satisfaction to the devotee exactly in accordance with his devotion. If there is some lack of faith, then God is far away.
दर्पणी प्रतिबिंब दिसे, जैस्यास तैसे भासे, तयाचे सूत्र असे, आपणाच पासी.
There is reflection in the mirror, which is exactly opposite to us. We are ourselves responsible for our reflection.
जैसे आपण करावे, तैसेची तेणे भावे, जरी डोळे पसरून पाहावे, तरी ते हितवकारे.
It does whatever we do. It becomes as we are. If we stare at it, it stares back at us.
भ्रुकुटीस घालून मिठी, पाहता क्रोधे तेही उठी, आपण हास्य करिता पोटी, तेही आनंदे.
If we look angrily by knitting our brow, it also gets angry with us. If we laugh, it is also joyous.
जैसा भाव प्रतिबिंबला, तयाचाची देव झाला, जो जैसे भजे त्याला, तैसाची बोळे.
As our feelings reflect, so God takes that form. He is pleased in accordance with the way man devotes himself to God.
भावे परमार्थाची या वाटा, वाहती भक्तीची या पेठा, भरला मोक्षाचा चोहाटा, सज्जन संगे.
When there is devotional feeling, man treads the path of liberation and very easily in the company of saints reaches the highest state of total freedom.
भावे भजनी जे लागले, ते ईश्वरी पावन झाले, भावार्थ बळे उद्धरिले, पूर्वज तेही.
Those who have become devotees have become pure in unity with God and have by their devotion liberated their forefathers.
आपण स्वये तरले, जनासही उपेगा आले, कीर्ती श्रवणे झाले, अभक्त भावार्थी.
They have saved themselves and have been helpful to people. By listening to the story of salvation of these people, others who were not devotees became ardent devotees.
धन्यतयांची जननी, जे लागले हरिभजनी, तेहीच एक जन्मजनी, सार्थक केला.
Blessed is the mother of those who have taken up devotion to Hari. These devotees have achieved the fulfillment of the purpose of life in one lifetime alone.
तयांची वर्णू काय थोरी, जयांचा भगवंत कैवारी, कासे लावून उतरी, पार दुःखाचा.
How far can I describe the greatness of those whom God Himself protects, and by holding them tight, liberates them to the other shore of the ocean of sorrow, which is this worldly life.
बहुता जन्मांचे सेवटी, जेणे चुके अटाटी, तो हा नरदेह भेटी, करी भगवंती.
After many births, we get this human body, by the help of which the cycle of births and deaths is avoided, and meeting with God is possible.
म्हणून धन्य ते भाविक जन, जेही जोडिले हरिनिधान, अनंत जन्मांतरीचे पुण्य फळासी आले.
Therefore, blessed are those devotees who have earned the great treasure named Hari. The merit of innumerable lives has borne the fruit.
आयुष्य हेची रत्नपेटी, माझी भजन रत्ने गोमटी, ईश्वरी अर्पुनिया लुटी, आनंदाची करावी.
Life is a box of jewels in which beautiful gems of devotions are kept. We should offer them to God and spread joy everywhere.
हरिभक्त वैभवे कनिष्ठ, परितो ब्राह्मादिका वरिष्ठ, सदा सर्वदा संतुष्ट, नैराश बोधे.
A devotee of Hari may be poor by circumstances, but he is superior to the gods because he is always contented as he has no desires.
धरुण ईश्वराची कास, केली संसाराची नैराश, तया भाविका जगदीश, सभाय सांभाळी.
The Lord of the world protects from all sides those devotees who have taken refuge in him and have dissolved their earthly life.
जया संसाराचे दुःख विवेके वाटे परमसुख संसार सुखाचे नी पढत मूर्ख लोधोन पडती.
Those who find this life sorrowful feel happy by discrimination. But the so-called educated fools are caught by greed of sensual pleasures.
जयांचा ईश्वरी जिव्हाळा ते भोगिती स्वानंद सोहळा. जयांचा जना वेगळा ठेवा अक्षयी.
Those who have love for God enjoy the bliss which is in their own being. Their treasure is endless and quite different from others.
ते अक्षयी सुखे सुखावले संसार दुःखे विसरले. विषये रंगी वो रंगले श्रीरंग रंगी.
They have forgotten the pain in the worldly life and disinterested in the sense objects, being merged in the happiness of being with the God.
तयास फावली नरदेह पेटी केली ईश्वरेसी साठी. येरे अभाविके करंटी नरदेह गेला.
They have got this box of jewels that this human body is, and they have friendly trade of it with God. Others who are not devotees are pitiably the losers of this great opportunity that the human birth has given them.
अवचटे निधान जोडले ते कवडीच्या बदल नेले. तैसे आयुष्य निघून गेले अभाविकाचे.
The life of those who are not devotees is wasted like a valuable treasure received by chance and just thrown away for a penny.
बहुत तापांचा साठा तिने लाधला परीस गोटा. परी तो ठाईचा करंटा भोगूच नेणे.
One who is unfortunate does not know how to use the magic stone, paris, elixir, which he has got after a long hard penance.
तैसा संसारास आला माया जाळी गुंडाळला. अंती एकलाच गेला हात झाडुनी.
Such man comes in this world, then he is caught in the net of Maya and in the end dies empty-handed.
या नरदेहाचे निसंगती बहुत पावले उत्तम गती. येके बापुडी यातायाती वरपडी झाली.
Many have achieved high spiritual status with the help of this human body, but many others, poor fellows, have suffered in the coming and going, and that is this cycle of birth and death.
या नरदेहाचे निलाग वेगे सार्थक करावे संत संगे. नीच योनी दुःख मागे बहुत भोगिले.
You should make haste to get benefit in this human birth by having the company of saints. You have suffered a lot in the past being born in the lower species.
कोण समयो येईल कैसा याचा न कळे की भरवसा. जैसे पक्षी दाही दिशा उडून जाती.
Nothing can be said about how the next moment might be. There is no surety about anything. As the birds fly to all 10 directions, the time flies.
तैसे हे वैभव सकळ कोण जाणे कैसी वेळ. पुत्र कळताद्री सकळ बिघडून जाती.
So this prosperity may suddenly go. Who can know how the future is going to be? Wife and children may suddenly be separated from us.
पाहिली घडी नव्हे आपुली वयसा तरी निघून गेली. देह पडताच ठेविली आहे नीच योनी.
That moment which is gone is lost and we have become old. If we die like this, we are sure to go to lower categories.
स्वान शुकरादिक नीच याती भोगणे घडे विपत्ती. तेथे काही उत्तम गती पाविजेत नाही.
The births as dogs or pigs do not give us any scope for evolution. There only suffering will be in our lot.
मागा गर्भवासी आटाटी भोगिता जालासी रे हुंपुटी. तेथुनिया थोरा कष्टी सुटलासी दैवे.
You have in the past suffered pitiably in the womb of the mother, and afterwards with tremendous efforts, you have luckily been saved.
दुःख भोगिले आपुल्या जीवे तेथे कैची होती सर्वे. तैचेची पुढे एकले जावे लागेल बापा.
That suffering you had to undergo alone. Where were all these things at that time? My dear, you will have to go alone just like that.
कैची माता कैचा पिता, कैची बहीण कैचा भ्राता, कैची सुहृदे कैची वनिता, पुत्र कळत्रा द्विक.
What significance has your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your friends, your wife, and children will have then?
हे तू जाण मावेची, आवघी सोयीरी सुखाची, हे तुझ्या सुखदुःखाची सांगाती नव्हेती.
You must recognize them as illusions, gathered together only for their own pleasure. They are not with you in your happiness or not with you even in your misery.
कैसा प्रपंच कैचे कुळ, कासया होतोसी व्याकुळ, धन कण लक्ष्मी सकळ जाई जणे.
What of your family life? What of your heritage? Why are you paining? All this money, the grains, the glory are destined to go away.
कैचे घर कैचा संसार, कासया करिसी जोजार, जन्मवरी वाहोन भार, सेखी सांडून जासी.
What of this house? What of this domestic life? Why are you worrying? You will carry the burden for your whole life, and in the end, will go leaving everything behind.
कैचे तारुण्य कैचे वैभव, कैचे सोहळे हाव भाव, हे सकळ ही जाण माव, माईक माया.
Of what value is this youth, this grandeur? What are these ceremonies and celebrations? Recognize that everything here is totally false.
येच क्षणी मरोन जासी, तरी रघुनाथी अंतरलासी, माझे माझे म्हणतोसी म्हणवनिया.
If you die in this very moment, you may not be with God, and you keep calling everything as mine, mine.
तुवा भोगदिल्या पुनरावृत्ती, ऐसी माय बापे किती, स्त्री कन्या पुत्र होती, लक्षान लक्ष.
You have come again and again here. How many parents had you got? And how many wives? How many daughters? How many sons? Probably many lakhs.
कर्मयोगे सकळ मिळाली, येके स्थळी जन्मास आली, ते तुवा आपुली मानिली, कैसी रे पढत मूर्खा.
You have come together with these people by your karmic links, born near each other at one place. You fool, how have you considered them to be yours?
तुझे तुझ नवे शरीर, तेथे इतरांचा कोण विचार, आता एक भगवंत साचार, धरी भावार्थ बळे.
Even your body is not really yours, so why think about others? Now you must be totally devoted to God alone.
एका दुर्भरा कारणे, नाना निचांची सेवा करणे, नाना स्तुती आणि स्तवने, मर्यादा धरावी.
Just for filling the belly, which can never really be full, you had to serve lowly people. You had to praise and flatter and show respect to some people.
जो अन्न देतो उदरासी, शरीर विकावे लागे त्यासी, मा जेणे घातले जन्मासी, त्यासी कैसे विसरावे.
You have to be a slave physically to someone who gives you food. Then how come you are forgetting the God who has given you birth?
अहर्निशी ज्या भगवंता, सकळ जीवांची लागली चिंता, मेघ वरुषे जयाची सत्ता, सिंधू मर्यादा धरी.
The God has concern for all the souls, day and night. Cloud gives you rain by His orders, and the sea is kept in limits also by His orders.
भूमी धरली धराधरे, प्रगट होई जे दिनकरे, ऐसी सृष्टी सत्ता मात्रे, चालवी जो का.
The great divine snake holds this earth. The sun rises, the God conducts His affairs of the whole world by His own power.
ऐसा कृपाळू देवाधिदेव, नेणवे जयाचे लाघव, जो सांभाळी सकळ जीव, कृपाळूपणे.
This God of the gods is very kind. His skill cannot be understood. but he takes care of all creatures with great kindness.
ऐसा सर्वात्मा श्रीराम, सांडून धरती विषय काम. ते प्राणी दुरात्मे अधम, केले पावती.
Those who disagree with God as a concept, who is the Atman in all, and go after fulfillment of passions are really persons of many vices, and they get the results of their own actions.
रामे विण जे जे आस, तितुकी जाणावी नैराश. माझे माझे सावकाश, सीणची उरे.
You should understand that any hope except for God is nothing but dejection. To say mine, mine brings nothing but fatigue in the end.
जयास वाटे सीन व्हावा, तेने विषयो चिंतित जावा. विषयो न मिळता जीवा, तगबग सुटे.
One who wants to suffer should think about sense objects. If you do not get it, the soul simply pants and hankers.
सांडून राम आनंद घन, ज्याचे मनी विषय चिंतन. प्यासी कैचे समाधान, लोलंगतासी.
How can one who forgets God, the totality of joy, and by his mind broods over sense of objects with lust, can ever get any contentment?
जयास वाटे सुखची असावे, तेने रघुनाथ भजनी लागावे. स्वजन सकळही त्यागावे, दुःख मूळ जे.
One who wants happiness should be a devotee of Raghunath. He should renounce his relatives who are the cause of sorrow.
जेथे वासना झोंबो न पडे, तेनेची अपाये दुःख जडे. म्हणून विषय वासना मोडे, तो एक सुखी.
The person gets all the pleasure and pain from the very object with which he is attached due to his desires. Therefore, only he whose desire is destroyed is happy.
विषय जनित जे जे सुख, तेथेची होते परम दुःख. पूर्वी गोड अंती शोक, नेमस्त आहे.
Every pleasure which comes out of sense objects becomes pain in the very place. It pleases us first, but there is sorrow definitely in the end.
गळ गिळीता सुख वाटे, ओढून घेता घसा फाटे. का ते बापुडे मृग आपटे, चारा घेऊन पळता.
A fish finds the bait sweet while catching it, but when the bait is pulled out, the mouth is torn. Or like the deer who is caught in the net while running with a morsel of grass.
तैसी विषय सुखाची गोडी, गोड वाटे परिते कुडी. म्हणूनिया आवडी, रघुनाथी धरावी.
Similar is the sweetness of sense objects. It appears to be pleasant, but it is very bad. Therefore, all your liking should be for Raghunath, the God.
ऐकोनी बोले भाविक, कैसे निघडे जी सार्थक. सांगा स्वामी येमलोक, चुके जेणे.
After listening to all of this, the listener of good faith asked, "O Master, please tell us how this life can be fulfilled. How can we avoid going to hell?"
देवासी वास्तव्य कोठे, तो मज कैसे निभेटे. दुःख मूळ संसार तुटे, कोणे परी स्वामी.
"O Master, please tell me where God resides. How can I see him? And how can this mundane life, which is the root of all sorrow, can be cut short?"
घडपुडी भगवत प्राप्ती, होऊन चुके अधिगती. ऐसा उपाये कृपामूर्ती, मज दीनास करावा.
"O Master, you are kindness incarnate. Please tell me, as I am humble, how can I meet God and how can I avoid my degradation?"
वक्ता म्हणे हो एक भावे, भगवत भजन करावे. तेने होईल स्वभावे, समाधान.
The Guru said, "You should have devotion with loyalty to God. Then you will have that final satisfaction."
कैसे करावे भगवत भजन, कोठे ठेवावे हे मन. भगवत भजनाचे लक्षण, मज निरोपावे.
Then how should I do this devotion? Where should I concentrate my mind? Please tell me all the details of devotion.
ऐसा म्लान वदने बोले, धरिले सदृढ पाऊले, कंठ सद्गतीत गळाले, अश्रुपात दुःखे.
In this way, the man very earnestly prayed. He held the feet of his Guru tightly. Due to emotion, he could not talk any further. There were tears rolling down his eyes.
देखोन शिष्याची अनन्यता, भावे बोळला सद्गुरुदाता, स्वानंद तुंबळेला आता, पुढील समासी.
When the Sadguru was very kind, saw the focused devotion of the listener, now who has become a disciple, looked very kindly at him and began to talk. Now there will be great joy overflowing in the next chapter.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे वैराग्य निरूपण नाम समास 10वा. श्रीराम.
Thus, in the third dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this 10th chapter by name Asceticism is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.